Hello. With a heavy heart, I am telling you that you are the sent up students of 2021 batch. We are giving you farewell as per law, but from our heart, we are not giving you farewell. You will always remain very much part of this institute, part of IEM group, and you have always a claim on IEM benefits as an ex-student. Whenever you need some help or some guidance, you are always welcome. It is your right. It is your alma mater. That is, it is your mother's home. I am very sorry that for last 1.5 years, because of the COVID situation, I could not meet you personally. As a matter of fact, you also must be feeling quite bad that you are not meeting the teachers or your friends in the class. But you see, it's a worse than World War. I am sure that you will do well in life. I'll request you, wherever you work, you take the ownership of the job and do it with passion. If you take ownership of the job, even in the little part, whatever job you do, it should be your signature. People should feel that it is done by such and such person. If you do not like the company or do not like the boss, try for other companies and never tell the next company or the interview that your boss was bad, your boss was bad or company was bad. That will reduce your chance of getting a job. If they ask you why you are leaving, you just say that I want to change. That's all. Don't tell anything bad about the company, because that will reduce your standing in life. As a matter of fact, never talk bad about any person. You have undergone good education, good discipline, good moral life, and I am sure you will get the result of that. You will certainly get the result of that. Whenever you need, we will stand by you, even after 20, 25, 30 years also. If you see, I am from Kharagpur IIT. Till today, I get letter from the Alumni Association, and whenever I go to Kharagpur for any work, I always stay in Kharagpur IIT guest house. They allow us and they give free food. Similarly, we have some guest house in some Delhi, then Bangalore, Calcutta. Whenever you visit these places, for 2-3 days, you can always stay in our guest house throughout your life. Always keep in touch with the institute. The university will always stand with you. You should be a very active member, alumni member, and that will help you. For example, if you are posted in Bangalore and your parents goes with you, suddenly your parents require some medical help. If you know the other alumni members, you can ask them and they will give you some support. They will tell you who is the good doctor, what is the good hospital, etc., etc. So be a strong member of the alumni, and I am sure with a heavy heart I am giving you farewell, but farewell is a legal thing from your heart, from our heart, all the teachers, all the staff members of the university, you will always remain very dear person to us. Thank you very much. Wish you all the good things in life. Thank you.